students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 8 Mixed Bag. Okay, chapter number 60 Basic Health Care. So the taking care of our health is very easy, but we often ignore. It is important to follow the basic rules of healthcare so that we can lead a healthy and active life. So the given below some sentences, put a right in the ones that are correct and put a cross in the ones that are not. Okay, so number 1, green leafy vegetables and fruits should be part of our daily diet. Yes. A lot of salt in our diet is good for us? No, it is bad. 3, water should not be drunk with maize. Drunk water either half. Okay, जब हम half an hour before a meal or half an hour after it. Yes, it is correct. Number 4, exercise and outdoor activities are good for us, but we build our muscles and keep fit by exercising every day. Yes, it is right. Number 5, we need 8 hours of sleep at night. Yes. Number 6, drinking juice is better than having a fruit. Number 6, drinking juice is better than having a fruit. नहीं, fruit ज़्यादा healthy होते हैं. Breakfast should be the main meal of the day. Dinner should be the lightest. Yes. Dinner breakfast heavy करना चाहिए और dinner नहीं भी करें तो चलेगा. We must go off to sleep immediately after having dinner. No, it is wrong. Number 9, drink plenty of water. It helps to flush out waste from the body and also helps to digest the food. Yes. 10, overeating is unhealthy. 1/3 of our stomach should remain empty even after we have had our meal. Overeating is unhealthy. भूख से कम खाना चाहिए हमें खाना. Food should be gulped down quickly. Chewing the food will destroy the nutrition in it. No, it's wrong. Number 12, meals should be eaten at the same time every day. Yes. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, हमारा स्टमक जो हमारी बॉडी उसको फिर एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डेंटल केयर टिप्स. कुछ दांतों के टिप्स हैं. ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे इन द मॉर्निंग एंड हाफ एन आवर आफ्टर डिनर. सो व्हाइल ब्रशिंग इंश्योर दैट यू ब्रश ऑन ऑल साइड्स. डू नॉट ईट एनीथिंग आफ्टर you have brushed your teeth at night. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. They are gentle on the teeth. Change your toothbrush when the bristles begin to lose shape. Use a tongue cleaner every time you brush your teeth. Use a dental floss to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Ideally, floss your teeth daily. Ask your dentist the correct way to floss. A common problem is bad breath called halitosis. By brushing properly, flossing daily and using a mouthwash, so you can prevent bad breath. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 61. Plastic money. This chapter only for reading. What is a credit card? Plastic money बोलते हैं जो credit card, ATM card, debit card ये सब होते हैं ना. It is a small. What is a credit card? It is a small card that authorizes a person on it to make payments for goods or services purchased. So the money is then taken by the credit card company from that person later on. So these cards make it easier as one does not have it to carry money in his or her wallet. है ना? So credit cards are issued by a bank or financial services company and used by consumers to purchase goods. Which was the first card? Diners Club became the first card company in 1950 when it issued a card allowing members to charge meals at 27 New York City restaurants. What is a smart card? Smart card is a small device that resembles a credit card but contains an embedded microprocessor to store and process information. What is an ATM machine? Automated teller machine is a device used by bank customers to process account transactions. What is a debit card? It is a card that allows the cost of goods or services that are purchased to be deducted directly from the purchaser's checking account. They can also be used at automated teller machine for withdrawing cash from the user's bank account. What is an ATM card? An ATM card is a plastic card that looks like a credit card. It allows you to do the same things at an automatic teller machines as you would at a bank. You can get cash, deposit money, check account balances, and receive a copy of your statement. So all electronically by using your ATM card and the password to your account, which is called your personal identification number or PIN. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 62. टूल बॉक्स. यूजुअली सभी के घर में होते हैं टूल बॉक्स, है ना? Look at the pictures and write the names of these common tools used in day-to-day life. So let me start. Number 1. So what is this? This is pliers. जिसको हम pliers बोलते हैं, pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S. Pliers. Number 2. What is it? It is screwdriver. It is screwdriver. Number 3. Was it? It is a hammer. Okay. Now number 4. It is a saw, जिसको हम आरी बोल देते हैं हिंदी में. Number 5. ये है एक्स, कुल्हाड़ी बोलते हैं हम जिसको. नंबर 7. इट इज रिंच. नंबर 7. व्हाट इज इट? इट इज अ chisel. Number 8. What is it? Spade. It is a spade. जब हम गार्डनिंग करते हैं ना उसमें काम आती है ये. Number 9. What is it? Tape measure. Tape measure. Number 10. This is drill. ड्रिल मशीन बोल देते हैं हम जिसको. नंबर 11. व्हाट इज इट? ये भी हम जब गार्डनिंग करते हैं जब काम आती है. शोवल. SHOVE. ओके. नाउ नंबर 12. व्हाट इज इट? इट इज होई. HOE. Okay. So student, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 63. A wider canvas. Answer the following questions. Number 1. India's little master Sunil Gavaskar took only 1 wicket in test matches. So who was the batsman out? Zaheer Abbas. Let me check. Yes, Zaheer Abbas. Number 2. Impressed by his voice, legendary director Satyajit Ray asked which actor to give a voice over for his movie शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. अमिताभ बच्चन. Number 3. Operation Duck Operation Easy and Operation Gulab were part of which armed conflict involving India? So the India-Pak War. The India-Pak War in 1947. 1947. Number 4. Originally called War Memorial, this monument was built to commemorate Indian soldiers who died during World War I and the Afghan War. Which edifice is this? It is India Gate. अमर ज्योति चलती है ना वहां पे 24 hours. India Gate. Number 5. Who was the only player never to have played a single match during India's victorious 1983 World Cup campaign? ये हैं हमारे सुनील वॉल्सन. What was the code name of the operation in which India successfully conducted nuclear test in Pokhran on May 11, 1988? ये है ऑपरेशन ऑफ शक्ति. ऑपरेशन ऑफ शक्ति. Number 7. Name the place where the Karni Devi temple, where rats are worshipped as the deity's descendants, is situated. ये है कहाँ पे है? ये बीकानेर में. Number 8. Who standardized the use of Indian standard film? Lord Curzon. This one. Lord Question number 9. The Terrorist and Disruptive Act Prevention Act was introduced during the governance of which Prime Minister? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Number 10. India signed the Panchsheel Treaty with which neighboring country? Number 10. China. Number 11. For which discovery did C.V. Raman with the Nobel Prize for Physics? Inelastic scattering of light. Scattering of light. Number 12. How many rivers are mentioned in our national anthem? 2. Two rivers. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 64. Netiquette. Chapter number 64, Netiquette. An email is a popular internet activity. It is an effective communication tool. So an email is less intrusive than a phone call. It lets the reader read the message at their convenience. It is also faster than a letter besides being cost effective. So you must be sending emails to your friends and relatives, but do you pay attention to the rules of writing and sending an email? Okay, so these are called email etiquette, or simply netiquette. Make sure that the next time you send an email, you will follow these guidelines. So the guidelines are: keep the email brief and to the point. So use simple words and short sentences and paragraphs. Use bullet points wherever possible. Okay, so leave space between paragraphs to improve readability. Ensure that the tone of your email is polite. Use please and thank you wherever you can. Write complete words, never use SMS language and unnecessary abbreviations in an email. Also write complete sentences instead of paragraphs. Never write an email in capital letters. Using all uppercase letters looks like you are shouting. It is considered rude. So don't use all lowercase letter either. It make it appear that you are mumbling or are lazy. Use both uppercase and lowercase letters as you do when you write a letter on paper. Check the spellings. Make sure that you have spelled all the words correctly and there are no spelling mistakes. Punctuate your email. An email without full stops, comma and other punctuation marks is difficult to read. So punctuation marks also make it easier to understand the intended meaning of a sentence. Always write a relevant subject line. It must be brief and should reflect the content of your email. Use active voice instead of passive voice. It makes the email sound personal. For example, write, I will courier the book today. Often you send pictures as attachment before sending a picture. Reduce its size so that it can be sent easily and the other person is able to open it quickly. Reply to an email as soon as you read it. If you cannot do so in detail, write a line saying that you will reply soon. Do not forward chain letters. A useful tip: carefully read the mail once you have written it. Try to read it on the computer monitor instead of printing it. Make changes if any. Send it when you are satisfied that you have followed the guidelines mentioned above. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 65. Dance and music. Fill in the blank with the help of help box given in the below. Number 1. Dash became the most fashionable social dance in the 19th century Europe. Waltz. Number 2. Flamenco is a gypsy dance of Spain. Number 3. Dash is a dignified dance was a component of the ancient Greek dramas. So it is Amelia. Let me check. Amelia. Number 4. Giselle, one of the best known ballads, was composed by Adolphe Adam. Number 5. Dash was the famous Dutch dancer whose stage name means Eye of the Morning. So it is Mata Hari. Number 6. Country dances are the folk dances of. It is Britain. Number 7. Dash, a famous actor cum singer, is known for conveying an emotional appeal through popular song. Frank Sinatra. Frank Sinatra. Number 8. Rolling Star is the famous UK rock band. Number 9. The most successful female pop singer of 80s was Madonna. Who is Madonna? Number 10. Dash is one of the most commercially successful artists who is a singer cum dancer. Michael Jackson. Number 11. Dash was the most famous rock artist of the 70s and 80s. Elton John. Number 12. Dylan Bob, a performer and songwriter, is one of the most creative dash musician. तो ये है rock. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Okay. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 66. Instrumental traditions. Look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of these traditional musical instruments from across the world. Number 1. Dash is a Persian instrument. It consists of set of wooden bars struck with mallets to produce musical tones. Resonators suspended under the bars amplify their sound. So ये है marimba. Number 2. Dash is a Russian string musical instrument with a unique triangular wooden hollow body with 3 strings played with fingers on leather plectrums. This instrument comes in various sizes. Balalaika. Dash is made of wood and its head is made of stretched animal hide. It is a popular musical instrument of North India. Tabla. Number 4. Dash is a notable instrument, basically a harp guitar having 4 necks, 2 sound holes and 42 strings. Okay, so it resembles in appearance with the cubist work of the famous artist Pablo Picasso. So it is Picasso guitar. Picasso guitar. Number 5. Dash is a tube instrument from Madagascar made of bamboo. This instrument is used for playing ritual music to summon. सुमोन, ये है वलीहा। Number 6. Dash is a traditional Himalayan musical instrument often used during Tibetan Buddhist religious festivals. It is played by plucking, strumming or finger packing. ये है ड्रामिन। Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 61. So this is the chapter 67, the right word. Given in the box below are some words of foreign origin that are commonly used in English. You have to put the right term in the blanks. Take help from the help box. So Cambridge University is my alma mater. The president is a member of this committee. Ex officio. Ex officio. Number 3. If you want to leave, the dash is over there. If you want to leave, the exit. Number 4. He was caught red-handed in flagrante delicate. Flagrante delicate. Delicate. Number 5. Enjoy the present day. Carpe diem. Let me check. Carpe diem. Number 6. I made a stupid mistake saying that it was a real fox pass. FAUXPAS. Fox pass. Number 7. You really hurt his self-esteem. You damaged his amor propre. Amor propre. AMOURPROPRE. Number 8. I'm acting in good faith. I have dash reasons for doing this. I'm acting in good faith. So this bona fide. Number 9. I have found it. Dash. Eureka. Eureka. Number 10, he sent her a dash telling her how much he loved her. So number 10 is dogs. Billet dogs. Number 11, the army has taken control of the country in a dash. Cooptate. Number 12. This is a debate which could go on and on. The number 12 is ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. 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 Number 13. Do you want to eat from set menu or? So number 13 is a la carte. A la carte. A la C-A-R-T-E. A la carte. Number 14. He was given a completely free hand. So he was an carte balance, card balance. For 15. I think he is no longer sing. I'm sure he is hot. Compose minutes. Compose minutes. Mantis. Number 16. He had been sent into stir up trouble. So he was in. Number 16 is agent provocateur. Technically, Tony is still the boss until he retires, but Sarah is now the. Number 17 is Sarah is now the de facto. De facto. Number 18. The team spirit is excellent. They have a great spirit de corps. Spirit de corps. Number 19. It's too nice to eat inside, so let's eat al fresco. Al fresco. Number 20. Tom is really close to Robert. His alter ego. Alter ego. So everyone, the chapter number 67 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 68. So students, let's begin the chapter number 68, managing emotions. So this chapter for your do it yourself, okay. This chapter is for your emotions, कि आप किस situation में है ना और कैसे खुद को डील करोगे, ठीक है. ये सारे क्वेश्चन उसी बेस पे है, तो डू इट योरसेल्फ इन योर क्लास. So we will let's begin the next chapter number 69. It is mixed bag. Stonehenge is the most famous ancient monument in Britain. It was built between 2950 and 1500 BC. The huge stones were put up in stages in 3 circles that made a giant calendar. So this was used to fix the days for religious ceremonies which were linked to the sun's movement. Laika, a fox terrier dog, was the first animal to travel in space. In 1957, she spent a week in orbit aboard the Russian craft Sputnik 2. The Russians knew that they would not be able to bring Laika back, and she died when her oxygen ran out. ठीक है, तो वो ये वहीं पे जो है इसकी डेथ हो गई थी. Atacama Desert. The driest place on earth is the Atacama Desert in Chile, South America. Intervals between rain showers may be as long as 100 years, and in some areas it has not rained for more than 400 years. Frog. A frog jumps by lifting its front leg off its ground and pushing off with its strong back leg. So almost any frog can leap 20 times its own length. So the record jump is 10.3 meter by a pet South African sharp-nosed frog. Okay, so everyone, this chapter only for reading here. So the chapter is end. I hope. So let's begin the next chapter number 70. Museum of the World. So these are the matching. Given below are the few famous museum of the world. Match these with the places where they are located. Okay. So this is 70, column A. Picasso Museum, Barcelona, F. Acropolis Museum, Athens, G. Number 3, Oceanographic Museum, H. Monacoville. Number 4, Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York, I. Number 5, Pushkin Museum of Fine Art. So number 5 is Moscow. Pushkin Museum of Fine Art. हाँ, Moscow, J. Allen Place Museum, Abu Dhabi, K. Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, L. The Vatican Museum, Rome, M. Henry Ford Museum and Detroit. Rijks Museum, Vincent van Gogh, Amsterdam, O. Number 11, the Smithsonian Institute, Washington, E. The Louvre, D. Paris. Uffizi Gallery, C. Florence. And 14, Tata Gallery, B. London. And the last one, Belvedere Gallery, option A, Vienna. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter number 71. logical and analytical reasoning. So question number 1, if 80 is equal to 2, bat is equal to 40, then cat will be, so option is C, 60. Number 2, if P denotes slash, Q denotes cross, R denotes plus, S denotes minus, then 1 8 Q 1 2 P 4 R 5, तो क्या डिजिट आएगी उसकी? Number 2, it is 53. What comes next? 23, 32, 49, 94, 73, and it is 37. D. 37. Number 4. Akhil is half old as Asmit, which is twice as old as Amit. How many times is as old Akhil? B. 4 times. Option is B. Find the odd one out. ABC 6, CD 12, DF 15, GHI 18. So C, DEF 15. Number 6. Find out the wrong terms 3, 5, 7, 9. मतलब ये odd words है ना? Even odd. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 15. B. यहाँ पे 15 आएगा. Number 7. Oriya is related to Odisha. Oriya is related to Odisha in the same way as Dogri is related to. Dogri is related to. Number 7 is C, Jammu and Kashmir. Find the missing number. Number 8. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, and the next one is B, 75. Number 9. Find the room number in the series 3, 6, 10, 18, 27, 38, then 10. 9. Find the wrong number in the series 10. If plus means slash, minus means cross, means plus and multiply means minus, then 26 into 12 plus 4 by 6 plus 2 minus 3. So the answer is C, 42. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 72. Famous nicknames. Which British sporting personality was known as the Dark Destroyer? Nigel Benn. Deadly was the nickname of which bowler who took 297 test wicket? Dak Underwood. Number 3. Which footballer was known as Lion of Vienna? Nat Lofthouse. Number 4. Which sportsman is known as the Golden Bear? Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus. Number 5. What was the nickname of the French tennis star René Lacoste? The crocodile. The crocodile. Number 6. Which Formula One driver was nicknamed the Professor? Alain Prost. Number 7. Which snooker player was nicknamed the Grinder? Cliff Thorburn. Number 8. Who is the record-breaking American sprinter of the 1990s with the nickname the Kansas Cannonball? Maurice Green. Number 9. In rugby union, who are the Los Pumas? Argentina. Number 10. Which famous European football club is known as the Old Lady? So it is Juventus. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 73. So the chapter 73, the magnificent trees. Given below are the 10 most magnificent trees of the world. Observe their pictures, read their description, and then write the names of the trees. Okay, so this is the most famous tree in France. It is building as well as a religious monument in one. This is called the dash tree. It is Chapaloke. Chapaloke. Number 2. This is the tallest tree in the world found in USA. This is called the dash tree. So which tree is it? Is post redwood. Number 3. This is large tree in Mexico. Local legends say that one can make out animals like jaguars and elephants in the trunk. So this is called the tree of life. The name of the tree is the dash tree. So it is tool tree. Number 4. This tree is one of the world's biggest tree found in California, USA. It can live for about 4,000 years and measure over 260 feet tall. So this is called the dash tree. It is General Sherman. Number 5. This tree is also called the trembling giant. It is actually a colony of a single tree. So the trees in the colony are all a part of single living organism with an enormous underground root system. So this is called a pando tree or dash tree. So this is called the pando tree only, no name else. Question number 6. This is the oldest living tree in the world in California, okay, USA. This tree is 4,838 years old. So this is called the dash tree. Number 6 is Methuselah tree. Number 7. This is the largest tree in India, seen in the botanical gardens of Kolkata. It is about 200 years old and its aerial roots spread over an area of about 2 hectares. It is called the which tree? Number 7 is banyan tree, यानी कि बरगद. हमारे इंडिया में ही होता है ये banyan tree. Number 8. It is one of the youngest looking trees in the world. So it is found in Africa. It can grow up to nearly 3 meter tall and 11 meter wide. यानी कि चौड़ा है 30 meter. So the most peculiar features of this tree is its wooden trunk that can store about 4,000 liter of water. जो ये सोखता है. Its fruit called the monkey bread is edible. It is called the dash tree. ये है baobab tree. Baobab. Number 9. This tree is a work of nature as well as of bean farmer Enel Ellenson. He pruned and grafted this tree from sun sycamore trees. It is called the circus tree. Number 10. This tree is in isolation, so which makes this tree all the more beautiful. So it is called the lawn cypress. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 74. Poisonous plants. We eat a variety of plants in our daily diet, but we must be careful because some plants are very poisonous. They can cause various disorder or even death. Given below are the pictures of plant along with the toxic part and symptoms. So name that plant. Name the plant. See, name of the plant, ये है daffodil. ओके, ये पिक्चर है, ये टॉक्सिक पार्ट है, इसका जो बल्ब होता है, सिम्टम्स नोजिया, वोमिटिंग, डायरिया, डेथ में ओकर. नेक्स्ट वन इज ओलिएंडर. नंबर 2. ठीक है, इसकी जो लीव्स और ब्रांचेस है वो बहुत खतरनाक होती है. वेरी पॉइजनस, अफेक्टिंग द हार्ट, कैन कॉज डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स एंड इवन डेथ भी हो सकती है इससे. नंबर 3. ये है मोंगशूल. ओके, fleshy roots, digestive upset and nervous excitement. Number 4. So it is lily of the valley. Of the valley. Okay. Leaves or flowers cause irregular heartbeat and cause digestive disorders and mental confusion. Number 5. So it is panglo. इसकी लीव्स बहुत हार्मफुल होती हैं, कॉज इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट एंड कॉज डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स, डेथ में होकर. नंबर 6. बेरीज. तो ये कौन सा फ्लावर है? ये है जैस्मिन. इसकी बैरीज और डाइजेस्टिव एंड नर्वस डिसऑर्डर हो सकते हैं. इट मे इवन प्रूव फैटल. नंबर 7, ये कौन सा फ्लावर है? ये है बटर कैप. ठीक है, इसके सारे जो पार्ट्स है वो हार्मफुल होते हैं. सेवरली अफेक्ट्स द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Only 7? Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 75. World. English vocabulary consists of many words that have evolved from other languages. Look at the following words and identify the languages they originally come from. So word, it is number 1 is restaurant. तो ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज, मतलब कहाँ का है ये वर्ड? ये है फ्रेंच, रेस्टोरेंट. नंबर 2, जूडो, जापानीज. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 3, बैरेट. सो ये है यूरोपियन वर्ड. नंबर 4, कराटे. Blue box is not here. Okay. Okay, now karate, ये है ओकिनावा. Spaghetti. Number 5, Italian. Okay. नंबर 6, खाकी. ये हिंदुस्तानी शब्द है. नंबर 7, केचप, चाइनीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर 8, मेयोनीज, फ्रेंच. क्या हो जाता है इसको? नंबर 9, कोआला. ऑस्ट्रेलियन. हैमबर्गर, जर्मन. नंबर 11, योगर्ट, तुर्किश. मतलब हमारे इंडिया में सारे कंट्री के वर्ड यूज होते हैं, पता नहीं हमारे इंडिया के कहीं पे यूज होते हैं कि नहीं. तुर्किश. ठीक है, नाउ नंबर 12, एल्जेब्रा, अरेबिया. नंबर 13, कायर, it is Greenland. Answer is Greenland. 14, cafe, Italian. Okay, and the last one, TP, ये है लोकोटा. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Everyone, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 76. Global IQ. Match these amazing word records with the correct names. चलिए, number 1, largest delta. सुंदरबन इंडिया, ओ। Answer is O. Number 2, largest desert सहारा, अफ्रीका। सहारा डेजर्ट है अफ्रीका में। ऑप्शन इज एस। ओके, ये इस एस। नंबर 3, लार्जेस्ट बे यानी कि लार्जेस्ट जो खाड़ी है वो कौन सी है? हुडसन, कनाडा, एफ। नंबर 4, लॉन्गेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट। लॉन्गेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा है? एशिया, के। नंबर 5, लॉन्गेस्ट एपिक। एपिक ये है महाभारत। लॉन्गेस्ट एपिक है महाभारत, क्यों? लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक, सुपीरियर, यूएसए, एन। सॉरी 6, इसका आएगा एन। लार्जेस्ट गैस, हाइड्रोजन, बी। ऑप्शन इज यहां पे आएगा बी। हाईएस्ट माउंटेन रेंज, 8, हिमालयास, डी। हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस, डायमंड, आर। लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर, नील नदी। सबसे लंबी नदी है नील नदी, सी। डीपेस्ट ओशियन, सबसे गहरा जो महासागर है वो कौन सा है? पी, पैसिफिक। 12, लार्जेस्ट आर्किपेलागो। ऑप्शन इज इंडोनेशिया, टी। लार्जेस्ट टेम्पल, नंबर 13 इज अंकोर वाट, कंबोडिया। सबसे बड़ा मंदिर है। हाईएस्ट कंट्री, ऑप्शन इज ई। हाईएस्ट कंट्री, नंबर 14, तिब्बत, एल। ओके, नंबर 15, लार्जेस्ट मैमल, ब्लू व्हेल, आई। लार्जेस्ट मैमल कौन है? आई, ब्लू व्हेल। 16, हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, टंगस्टन, एच। नंबर 17, लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन एरिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इज रशिया, एम। बिगेस्ट डोम, 18, गोल गुंबज, बीजापुर, इंडिया, जी। 19, लार्जेस्ट रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म, खड़गपुर, इंडिया, जे। एंड द लास्ट वन 20, टॉलेस्ट फ्री स्टैंडिंग minaret, कुतुब मीनार, दिल्ली, इंडिया, minaret, सबसे हाईएस्ट मीनार, ए, इंडिया। ओके, So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 77. Chandrayaan 3 our achievement. तो चंद्रयान को लेके कुछ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे हैं. On August 23, 2023, India created history after Chandrayaan 3 achieved a soft landing near the lunar south pole of the moon. So attempt this quiz to know more about this ambitious mission. So the number 1, what was the launch date of Chandrayaan 3 mission? 14 July 2023. Number 2, the Chandrayaan 3 mission's rover is known as Pragyan. The mission life of the lander and rover is equal to 14th Earth days. Question number 4. Which launcher has been used for Chandrayaan 3? So it is GSLV Mk3. Okay. Option C. Number 5 question. What is the approximate cost of Chandrayaan 3 mission? तो इसकी कितनी कॉस्ट थी? 600 करोड़. 6. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? Number 6 is 3,900 kg. Question number 7. Which of this is missing in Chandrayaan 3 orbiter? Question number 8. How did Chandrayaan 2 welcome Chandrayaan 3? Welcome, buddy. Question number 9. Who is the rocket woman behind Chandrayaan 3? Is Ritu Karidhal. Number 10. At what time did lander Vikram touch the lunar surface? 6:04 p.m. IST. Okay, everyone. So the whole chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all these chapters. So we will meet you the next class soon. Thank you and have a nice day.